Amrita Raichand, mother of Agastya Raichand, wife to Rahul Raichand, and that's my life. So the two recipes that I'm making, one is a very quick, easy, इसको आप मिठाई बोल सकते हो, इसको आप energy bites बोल सकते हो. You can call it a nice snack on the go. I am going to start by grinding these 250 grams of macadamia nuts like this. It tastes fabulous even without toasting. So first we grind the macadamia nuts, where now I'm adding some seedless dates, some cranberries. So once you keep the ratio, the base ratio, then according to the number of people you want to cater to, you can always alter that portion, the proportion. That's all that is to be done in it. Some sea salt, some chopped macadamia just to top it up, and that's going to give you these energy bites. Let's try and make it for about 20 grams. Comes together so easily, so quickly. Yeah?